sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors, standing water or high humidity, nasty odors, or dangerous mold. Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Friday, the 4th of March. I'm James Spann. The weather stays warm and dry through the weekend. Then things turn stormy next week. We'll have a chance of possibly severe storms on Monday. Here we go. This is the upper air look across the country. Today, once again, just this large mass of dry air across the deep south. We have a dry, stable northwest flow aloft and ridging moving in. So another beautiful day coming up today. Temperatures are mostly in the 40s to start the day. We're expecting highs at or just over 80 degrees. Get set for the warmest weekend so far this year. Same weather tomorrow and Sunday. There's the watch warning map starting to fill in a bit. We've got winter weather issues in scattered pockets out west and up north. The east is quiet. No severe weather expected today. Maybe some thunder for parts of the high plains back into the western states. Tomorrow, a risk of severe storms centered over Iowa and some of the adjacent states. Day 3, Sunday, got a risk of severe storms from parts of North Texas up into Arkansas, southern Missouri, and western Tennessee. And then on day 4, we have a risk of severe storms now defined. This is for Monday for parts of Alabama, Mississippi, and Tennessee. In Alabama, the risk of severe storms basically north of a line from near Sweetwater to Clanton to Ashland to Ranburne. And much more about this threat here in just a moment. This is the QPF, the rain for the next 7 days. Numbers, of course, are coming up next week after this gorgeous week we've enjoyed now. Rain amounts 1/2 to 1 inch for the north, 1 to 2 inches for the south. And this is valid through Friday morning of next week. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at 3. Troughing coming into the western states, but ridging here. Beautiful, sunny with a high at or just over 80. Tomorrow, we'll call it partly sunny, and again, highs around 80, maybe low 80s in spots. That deep surface low north of Omaha will probably set off a few severe storms over Iowa and northern Missouri. Go to Sunday, we're still warm and dry. Many spots will hit the low 80s. We have rain north of the state with a front. And this is Monday. And we've got a surface low northeast of Alabama. That's not really that favorable for severe weather, but we've seen evidence in some of the other runs of a secondary low forming maybe around Memphis. But showers and thunderstorms moving in here. So let's go to the NAM, the 12-kilometer NAM, and understand this runs out 84 hours, so it runs through noon Monday. And this is noon Monday. This is the instability, and there's just hardly any over Alabama. The air is unstable over Mississippi, and that instability will likely move into Alabama Monday afternoon and Monday evening. It's not overwhelmingly high, but again, sufficient for strong, maybe severe storms. The shear values are very high. This is the storm relative helicity, 0 to 1 kilometer. Those numbers are higher over the northern half of the state, and that's where the better chance of severe storms will be. In the STP, the significant tornado parameter, about 1 unit over northeastern Mississippi. And again, this is noon Monday. Those numbers will be coming up through the afternoon and evening hours over the northern half of the state. So the main threat will be the chance of hail, strong winds, maybe a couple of tornadoes Monday afternoon, Monday evening. I'd say probably 2 until 10 p.m. In the higher probabilities, most likely will be north of Interstate 20, maybe a few severe storms down into parts of central Alabama south of Interstate 20. So we'll be much, much more specific once we get within 60 hours and we can see the convection allowing models, the CAMs. So Tuesday, the front kind of stalls out over South Alabama, better chance of showers south of US 80. The day should be cooler for North Alabama with highs in the 50s, upper 50s. Wednesday, evidence a wave on the front could bring some rain to the southern two-thirds of the state, and that'll be a cool rain for North Alabama with temperatures only in the 50s, no severe weather problems. Thursday, the front shifts back down to the south again, and then Friday, a very deep trough coming out across the Great Plains states. A deep surface low is near Chicago, a big snowstorm for parts of the Great Lakes, and another cold front pushing in. And there might be a little instability involved at the end of next week, and that might bring some strong storms. And obviously, this is a week out. It's way too early to be specific on that. And then the following day, Saturday, March 12th, it turns cold. Temperatures might stay in the 40s all day for North Alabama. Here are the anomalies. Very cold for the eastern half of the country. And this is Sunday, March 13th, troughing moving on to the east. And that Sunday morning, we could be in the 20s. Sunday morning, March 13th. So Well, again, we warn everybody every year we always have these late season cold snaps, and this probably will not be the last one. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble, the mean about 3 inches between now and the 18th of March. Temperatures come way down after Monday. I got 61 there Tuesday and Wednesday. Many spots will likely stay in the 50s. And again, look at Sunday morning, March 13th. This is for Birmingham. It's got 30, but I think many places will likely be in the 20s that morning. And the CPC outlook, March 11th through March 17th. A lot of blue here with temperatures below average, including Alabama. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Sinking driveway? Call Alabama Professional Services. Settling patio? Call APS. Uneven pool deck? Call APS. Collapsing stoop? Call APS. Cracking sidewalk? That's right, call APS. It's a fact. Concrete problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.